everyone. In this video, we will be discussing about oxidation using manganese dioxide. Manganese dioxide is a mild oxidizing agent which oxidizes primary and secondary allylic as well as benzylic alcohol. Primary alcohols are converted to aldehydes and secondary alcohols are converted to ketones. So if you have type of system, if you have allylic system, if you have a OH group over here, so if you add MnO2, so this is a allylic alcohol, okay. So this will give you aldehyde. And if you have a system where we will, let's say if you have a system where you have, this is a secondary. So this is a, first one is a 1 degree allylic alcohol, allylic OH, and here we have a 2 degree allylic OH. So if you give a manganese dioxide, so we will get a ketone. Okay. So let's check the mechanism of this reaction. So looking at the mechanism, have allylic OH, have Mn2, right? So it will happen. So this will take out this one. So we are getting O negative over here and MnO. So you get OH positive, right? So this attacks over here. Okay. O and then OH. Oh, now we have a hydrogen over here. This oxygen will take up this hydrogen, which will form a double bond, and this will go here. Manganese hydroxide leaves the reactions and will end up with this is the product. Fine. Now let's look at some of the example. So this is very selective. So manganese dioxide is very much selective reagent. So it selectively oxidizes primary or secondary allylic or benzylic alcohols. Okay, so if you have a 1 degree alcohol, it will give you a aldehyde, and if you have a 2 degree alcohol, you will get a ketone. So what we look at the example here. So in the first case, we have taken a 1 degree allylic alcohol. We end up with aldehyde, and in the second case we have taken a 2 degree allylic alcohol, and we end up with a ketone. And also we looked at the mechanism, how it works, and now we will see some examples based on this manganese dioxide oxidation. Change the color of the paint, look great, write with colorful paint. So writing in colorful paint looks very good and helps to focus, helps to concentrate. Okay, so looking at the first example, so this is a, what is this? This is a benzyl alcohol. So this benzyl alcohol, so as I have told that manganese dioxide oxidizes a benzylic alcohol. So this is a benzylic alcohol and this is a 1 degree benzylic alcohol. So this is a 1 degree benzylic OH group is present. This is a benzylic OH, so 1 degree. So if you give MnA2, we will get an aldehyde. So basically we will get a CH, right? So next example. So if you have a system like this, if you have a system like this, so we have two types of OH group. One is a 1 degree benzylic OH is present, and another normal 1 degree OH is present. So since MnO2 is very much selective, so since MnO2 is selective, it is a selective oxidizing agent which oxidizes a benzylic OH group over a normal 1 degree OH group. So we will get this product. This is very much selective. We'll get this. This is sorry, this is not 1 degree. Sorry, this is a 2 degree benzylic OH group. This is a 2 degree, right? Okay, this 2 degree. This is 1 degree. And since it's benzylic, so this will undergo oxidation. We'll get a keto product and OH. Okay. So instead of MnO2, if we use PCC, instead of MnO2, if we use PCC or any other strong oxidizing agent, so both OH will get oxidized. Okay. Next example we will see. Next example, let's say we have this group. So again, we have two kinds of OH group, right? So we have two kinds of OH group. One is this portion is a 1 degree allylic OH, and this one is a normal 1 degree OH. So MnO2 will oxidize this allylic OH. So this we will get a CHO, and here we have a OH. Now, what happened if you undergo an intramolecular reaction? This will attack over here. This carbon oxygen bond shifts. So we will basically end up with, first we'll end up with this 5-member lactone dibring OH. Okay. Now what happens? We have excess MnO2. We have excess MnO2. So again see, after the first part of the reaction, again we are getting a allylic OH. Again we are getting a allylic OH group. So in presence of the MnO2 which is present in the reaction mixture, this allylic OH, now this is a 2 degree allylic OH. Now this is initially it was a 1 degree allylic OH which undergoes oxidation to give you a aldehyde. Then the intramolecular reaction or the intramolecular lactone formation takes place. Almost type of lactone. It's not a lactone, but it's an intramolecular reaction takes place. And after this intermolecular reaction, this becomes a 2-degree allylic alcohol in presence of further MnO2. This will undergo oxidation to give you, now we are getting a lactone. Now this is a lactone. So you're getting a 5-member lactone type system, right? This is a 5-member lactone system. Okay. Let's see one more example. And in this, the same reaction, if you carry out in presence of, let's say, PCC, if you carry out the same reaction, in presence of PCC, so it will end up with, this is basically CHO, and this also will give you a CH. But in presence of MnO2, only selective oxidation takes place. Let's see one more example. Let's say we have okay. So here you have a methyl group. Now we add MnO2. So what will happen? This portion is, this one is the 2-degree allylic OH. So in presence of MnO2, this portion will get oxidized. But if we carry out the reaction in presence of PCC, both the OH group will get oxidized. So we'll get this type of product. Thanks for watching.